Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Elyon Educational Consult. We are looking at the design of a crank hook with the given specification. As you can see here, we have a crank hook here with two concentric circles and two eccentric circles. So we are going to be drawing our crank hook to this given specification. The first thing we are going to be doing here is to draw this baseline, which I'll be doing now. So I'm going to draw my baseline this way. So I'm going to have this line drawn, so I will pick a point on that. So I will have a vertical line. Okay, this way up like that. So we are told that for the first circle here is radius 23. So I'm going to measure my radius 23. This radius 23 place here. So I will use that to draw the first circle. So we have this circle drawn, which is this circle, as you can see, radius 23. Okay, so if you look at the distance from this circle here and the other circle here, we are told that is 89, as you can see here. So I can measure that now. I will measure 89 to centimeter. That is 8.9, which is this 89. So I have this. So I have that. So we have for this upper circle here, radius 23 as well. So this radius is equal to this base radius base circle here. So I will draw same 23. So I have that drawn. The next thing I will be doing now is to draw this bigger circle. But if you look at the bigger circle, don't forget eccentric circle is a circle, or there are circles that are not having the same center and different radii. You can see radius of this first circle is 23. Then the distance between the center of the first circle and the center of this bigger circle we are given to be 11. So this is the center. Distance from here to here is our 11. I use this set square to make sure it's perpendicular to draw that. So this will be the center of this bigger circle, and the radius is 45, as you can see here. So I will extend my compass to radius 45, which is 4.5. So which is this. I'm going to be placing it here, this center. So I will draw my circle. Okay, so we have that drawn. I hope you see the way I am doing that. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. So the next thing we are going to be doing here is for us to construct these tangents. You can see there is a tangent here from this circle to this circle here. So all you just need to do is that we're going to be drawing a straight line to meet the circle here and this circle here, such that it will appear as if the line is rolling over this circle. So I will take that out. So we have that. You can see that's the tangent, as if the circle is rolling over, both for the top circle and the base circle, just like we're having it here. So the next thing we are going to be doing now, we are going to be constructing another tangent which is parallel to this tangent, which is this tangent YY, to make this circle here. So what we're going to be doing now is that I'm going to bring my set square to this. I'm going to be sliding until it gets to this part, such that it will appear as if the line is winding over on this bigger circle. So this what I'm going to do now, as you can see now. So you place it on the line, the set square, the ruler right behind it, you can see. So I'm going to slide. Okay, let's move it down, because we'll slide up so that the set square will be enough. The space in the set square will be enough. So I will slide like this until I get to that part. So you can see to this part. Okay, so which I'm going to draw. So we're going to be drawing. We can draw with a thin line first. So let us draw with a thin line first, like that. Okay, I hope you see it where it meets from this part. So we draw that with a thin line first. So this is it here. We are having this. So we are going to be working on this, but let's leave that for now. We're coming back to that. So let's work on this part. We are given two radar here. The first one here for radius 23 and the second one radius 23. So how are we going to do this? Very simple. I'm going to measure radius 23. That is 2.3. 1, 2, 3. This way. So I'm going to put the tip of the pen at this part. Yeah, so we have make sure it is exactly on it. So we have this drawn this way. Then I'll come to the other part. So we have this cut like that. I hope you understand how we do that part, this way and this way. We come back to this. So you can see we have an inner circle here, which radius is not given to us. So we can actually use any convenient radius of our choice. So I'm going to be using, you can see the radius is not given, so I'm going to be using 1 centimeter. Radius 1 centimeter to get this inner part this way. Okay, so now what we are going to be doing now is we are going to be getting this part out. Okay, now to get the tangent here, to get this place, so we are going to be adding this radius 16 plus this radius of this circle here, because the tangent, the arc is touching this part, so 23. So that will be 39. So I'm going to measure 39 from my ruler. So this is 39. So place at the center here, strike an arc this way. Okay, So if we look at the radius given here, we are told that the radius is 16, that's 1.6. So the distance from this part to this part should be 16. So what I'm going to be doing now, just place my ruler on any point in this line. I will measure 1.6. So 1.6. So this is my 1.6. So 1.6, that is 1.6. You can see this dot here, that's 1.6. So the next thing I'm going to do now, place my set square this way on this line. So I'm going to be sliding. I will place the ruler behind it, slide until I get to this point, that 1.6, then before I project a line. So I will slide, ensure the ruler, the set square is on the ruler. So we have gotten to the point. So I'm going to draw this. So you see that line, which is this line here. Okay, so this is the point where this line is touching this part here of the arc we draw earlier. So the next thing we are going to be doing now to get this arc, so I will put my compass radius on the radius 1.6. So 1.6. So I'm going to be measuring out 1.6. So this 1.6. 1.6. Let me be sure it's on 1.6. Okay. So I'll place it at this part here, so you can see. So 1.6. Let me see. It should be exactly on 1.6. Okay. This is 1.6. So I'm going to place it here. So it's going to be picking this like this. Like this. So we just stick out that part immediately like that. So we have this part like that. So drawn. Then I'm going to be tickling out this line I drew earlier, the line I said we are to draw within line. Okay, this way. Okay, like that. So finally, I'm going to be doing the finishing now by tickling out our outline. So from this part, so I start with this one. Yeah. So I have this drawn. Then the next one, starting from this part now, this part, I'm going to draw, take out everything that way. Okay, so I go to the base with this also, but in this one I will only take out, I won't take out everything. So I will only take out from here like this to this part like this. Okay, so then let me take out this part. Since it's the same radius 23, I will not need to be adjusting my compass later on. So I'm going to stop. So add this to this sharp edge. Okay, for the other side as well, move it out until I get to this part. Okay, this way. This part. Then finally I'm going to have this part. So finally I'm going to be putting my compass here. This is the center to take out this outline. to take out this up to this point, so it shouldn't pass that point. So we have it like this. All right, so you can see our crank hook drawn to this given specification like you have here, and there is it. Thank you very much. Please, if you have any question, you can leave your comments in the comment section. I hope you understand it. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.